All right, so again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. No, we'll discuss today some of the subtopics, no, in the management advisory services or management accounting. No, ito yung contemporary development in managerial accounting. No, bakit ba there would be an emerging demand, no, for managerial accounting? Bakit madaming mga CMA ngayon, no? Because of the global competitions, no, from such countries like Japan, Germany, no, there would be a contemporary business managers, no, or demand different and better information than they needed in just a few years ago, no. Because of course technology now, ngayon meron na tayong AI, no, artificial intelligence. The reason why we have the contemporary development, no, in our management accounting. Okay. So with this, ano yung mga reason? No? Number one, there would be a technological change, no? Through computer integrated manufacturing or the CIM. Many companies now manufacture products that are untouched by any human hands, no? And with this, there would be a widespread use of computers, laptops, no? Computers, smartphone has greatly reduced the cost of accumulating, storing, and reporting managerial accounting information. Di ba ngayon, through your cell phone, you can now be able to store or to store data, to record data, no? Through your computer, through your cell phones now, no? And also with the use of quality, no? Many companies now have installed a total quality control or the TQC system to reduce defects in the finished products. And it is more emphasis and is now put on the non-financial measures, no, such as customer satisfaction, number of service calls, the time to generate reports, no, attention to details, no, yon. And also, because of this, employees can now control leads to increase profitability. Okay. In addition, many companies now have begun using the just-in-time. Ano nga yung just-in-time? Just-in-time or backflash accounting. Meaning to say, you will just manufacture product if there would be order coming from our customer. Pag walang order, you will not manufacture. No? So with this, under which goods are manufactured or are purchased just in time for the use. So go to my YouTube channel about just in time. I've discussed there about the GIT or the backflash accounting. Okay. So with this lowers the cost of holding and storing your inventory. Okay. There would also be focus on the activities. No? So in order to obtain more accurate product costs, many companies are accounting for the overhead by the activities used in making the product. Okay. And with this, we have what you call activity-based costing. No? It includes purchasing of materials, handling of raw materials, and the production. Again, I have also video about activity-based costing. No? So I'll discuss there no, in my, I think go to the cost accounting no? About activity-based costing system. Okay? Then also, it focused more on the service industry needs. No? So in some respects, the challenges now for managerial accounting are greater emphasis on the service enterprises than in the manufacturing. Kaya nga, di ba ngayon, there would be a outsourcing services, no? Ina-outsource na lang lahat. Di ba? Mas mabilis na nga ngayon, no? O, para if they don't want to maintain a people, no? Just outsource because of the service industry, no? So in some companies, it may be necessary for the management accountant to develop a new system for measuring the cost of serving individual customers and the new operating controls to improve the quality and the efficiency of the specific services. Okay. Meron din naman, final comment, no? Because of this contemporary business environment, because of the advancement of technology, no? Not long ago, the managerial accountants was primarily engaged in cost accounting. Ano ba yung cost accounting? Cost accounting is more on giving, prepare, record, and report all your product cost. Ano nga yung product cost? Product cost is your inventoriable cost. No? You collect data, you report data about the manufacturing cost to the management. Okay? Direct materials, direct labor, and the manufacturing overhead. And because of this, today's the managerial accountant's responsibilities extend to the cost management. Kaya ngayon may tinatawag nating strategic cost management. So ano naman to? It provides managers with the data on the efficient use of the company's resources in both manufacturing and the service industries. So yan yung reason why we have what you call managerial accounting. Di ba ngayon ang tawag sa atin ay finance partner already. Not anymore or management accountant or ma, uh, iba ang tawag ay management accounting manager. Okay. Siguro I will discuss some of this. No? Also, some of this is the accounting cycle for a manufacturing, although it is part of your cost accounting. So ano yung mga worksheet no, for the entries, particularly for the manufacturing. Di ba class, in the manufacturing, the accounting cycle for this is that your direct materials, your direct labor, and overhead are all to be converted to the finished product. No? It's the same as the merchandising company when the periodic inventory system is used, except that for additional manufacturing inventories for the cost accounts, the journalizing and posting of transactions and adjustments and the FS preparations, no? Like the trial balance are the same. They are the same lang, no? There are some changes lang in the preparations of the worksheet and the closing entry. So, paano yan, no? So, of course, go to my discussions, no? About cost accounting, no? Kasi I've discussed there, paano yan, no? Your manufacturing costs, then you have your cost accounting, your work in process, then your finished goods, and eventually will become part of your cost of goods sold, no? Ano mangyayari, no, with that? Specifically about the accounting cycle. Yes, closing entries is not the same. Kasi dati in the merchandising, you have only one inventory account, and that would be the merchandise inventory. E ngayon, tatlo na. Ano ngayon? Finished goods inventory, completed product. You have your work in process or work in progress. Ibig sabihin, ano siya? Partially completed product. You have also number 3, your raw materials. That's basically materials awaiting for production. Hindi pa tapos. Malamang. Kasi raw material. So, tatlo yun class, no? And with this, ano yung mga pagkakaiba niya? 2 additional columns daw are needed in the worksheet for the cost of goods manufactured. In these columns, the beginning inventories of the raw materials and the work in process are entered into as debits. Yeah. Same, no? Kaya lang, ang iba dito ay you have the work in process, no? And the ending inventories are entered as credits. And all the manufacturing costs are entered as debits. No? So you will debits all. No? To close all the accounts that appear in the cost of goods manufactured, a manufacturing summary is used. Ano nga yung ginagawa natin in service industry? We have what you call income summary. Sa kanila naman, ang tawag ay manufacturing summary. So maybe I will discuss more about this, no? In the accounting cycle, no? But just go to my YouTube channel, Master Accounting, and go to the playlist. Here, this is my YouTube channel, no? And go to the playlist and look for cost accounting. I've discussed there about some of the ethical or the principles of cost accounting, no? Like jump order costing, introduction to cost accounting first. I have jump order costing. I have process costing. Then just in time or the black fresh accounting, I have joined in my products. Then I have also some of the process costing, no? Like the scrap or some of the inventory materials. I have also discussions about standard costing, activity-based costing. So yeah, so basically class, my YouTube channel is more on cost accounting, strategic cost management, financial market, and the management services. If you notice, sila yung mga nasa management services cluster and soon to be called business analytics and reporting. So dapat yung mga nandito dapat maging CPA na kayo, no? Para you can be able uh, to have CPA degree, no? Or CPA license, sorry. So again, so that's all my discussions now for this contemporary development in management accounting, and some of the discussion in the accounting cycle in the manufacturing course. Bye-bye.